answer to the paleo diet quitters. Recently I have seen a famous article by a woman who tried paleo diet and given up as it didn't work for her. When I am seeing that article, one have laughed suddenly. My friend asked me why I was laughing. The answer is simple. You need to give paleo diet lifestyle time. It takes some time for your body to adjust to the shift in your lifestyle. Let us face it, paleo diet is not a fad diet. It is not a quick fix. It is not a magic pill. Don't forget, paleo lifestyle is transformational. You are transforming your body. You are increasing your metabolism. You are just helping your body by giving what it wants. And letting your body shed its fat naturally. Letting your body corrects its imbalances. Letting your body to heal. Acknowledge this truth, you simply allowing your body to get back to its original shape. Let me remind you once again, you're not doing anything great. You just realized what your body cells really want and giving them. In other words, you have started loving your body. Do you know the law of reciprocation? When you give love to your body gives back you love abundantly. What it is giving to you is a beautiful and radiant look. That is what you desire so intensely. Do you want to give what your body really likes? Follow this link to grab your copy of Paleo Diet Recipes. Enjoy a beautiful and healthy look. Click here to get started with Paleo Diet new recipes.